In this video, I'm going to show you how to take sales data for every state in the US. It's imaginary sales data for an imaginary company, right? And turn it into this sweet heat map. Right, so this shows the redder the map is, the closer to $9,000 in sales for the year this company is. So we are just doing this by state, although we could dial down to city, county, whatever sort of regions you want to do, right? So the way we do this, right, is obviously the first thing we do is we change our data to the heat map visualization. And then over here, we go to our colors and we change it from, usually it's just a default color. The default color is just going to look like this, right? So this is good visualization for a heat map too, but what I like to do is I like to do the hot, cold visualization. So over here you've got colors, you go to custom, and then I just put the low as blue and high as red so that we know that the red is the hot areas, right? That's where all of the sales are coming from. And we can look down here and oh my gosh, over here in, where is it? I can't even tell, there's a map. Delaware, yeah, Delaware over here is where we have all the sales coming from, this region. Let's say this company's based in Delaware. But anyhow, that's how you do a heat map and this 3D data map. If you want to know how to get the data inside of the 3D data map area inside of Microsoft Excel, then I've got another video for that. But I hope this helped you with your heat maps. Thanks for watching.